Hi there, my name is Viktoras Karapetjants, and I'm responsible for evaluating trading conditions at Traders Union. I've been familiar with FreshForex for quite a while now, and I want to share my thoughts. Straight to the point, no dry definitions. Let's start with the most important thing. Their trading conditions are really flexible. Even if you have just $10, you can open an account and start trading. That's a big plus. For beginners with limited starting capital, this is a great opportunity. Here's what I liked. Accounts for every taste. Prefer fixed spreads? Go with Classic, like the raw market feel? Market Pro has you covered. Want tight spreads starting from zero? Go for ECN. Leverage up to 1,200. Very powerful, but only for those who truly understand how to use it. I'd recommend beginners not to overuse it, but experienced traders will appreciate the flexibility. Trading platforms. The reliable classics, MetaTrader 4 and 5. Stable, familiar, and everything works smoothly. That's especially important if you're trading on news. No glitches when timing is key. Plenty of instruments, currencies, metals, crypto, CFDs on stocks and indices, over 270 instruments in total. It's like building your own strategy toolkit. A small note of caution, spreads can be a bit higher on some account types, especially Classic. So I'd recommend carefully reviewing the conditions for each account before deciding which one to go with. All in all, FreshForex offers attractive trading conditions, especially for beginners and traders looking for flexibility in tools and strategies. However, since the broker lacks strict regulation, it's important to approach trading with careful risk management and do your homework before jumping in.